Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to rotate texture in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, press add a texture. You can use directly texture or pattern overlay. The same process. Example, I use texture and select the texture scale, depth. Okay. Then rotate texture. See this texture. Rotate. Press Ctrl T and rotate texture. Notice, press, click again, right click, rasterize, layer style, then press Ctrl T again and see this rotate. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.